Page 7. Okay. So in that activity, in problems 1, 2, and 3, you did some work with angles 1 and 5, with angles 4 and 8. Those were corresponding angles. Brady, what did it seem like was happening with our corresponding angles for number 3?
Huh?
Yeah. Were their measures the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I want you to add in on page 7 that corresponding angles, the ones that are in the same position, are always congruent, which means they're the same measurement. Okay. Now I'm going to have you skip to the back. Number 7, you look at angles 4 and 5. In number 7, Ryan, what did you notice about angles 4 and 5?
What? Oh, they're on the opposite side. Oh, 4 and 7. Alternate.
They're alternate interior angles. I'm gonna phone a friend here.
Oh my gosh.
Relia, what did you notice in number 7? What was true about angles 4 and 5? Okay, when you trace them though, what was true? Were they the same or different? They were the same, okay? Alternate interior angles are also congruent to each other. Oh my gosh, this is so great.
Wow.
Okay, back to the front. So we'll put these in a different order. That's fine. In number 5, Jada, what was true about our alternate exterior angles? Yeah, I don't know. They're the same. So alternate exterior angles are congruent. Oops, they are same, but I want to write same. Now, the very last question dealt with consecutive interior angles. Were they the same?
No, ma'am.
No, they are not. Okay. If we look in this picture, I mean, we can see this angle's big, this angle's small. They're not the same. Do you think there's a special relationship? What is that special relationship?
What?
You just told me they're not the same.
Have we used this? Have we used this word before?
We have used this word before.
Different. They're
Okay,
opposite. They're-
give me an angle that angle 4 is congruent to.
Angle 4. 8. Oh, 8.
Okay, angle 8. Angle 4 and 8 are congruent because they are
Congruent.
corresponding. Okay. Now, what's true about 5 and 8?
They're different.
Yep.
They're out to.
Specifically, what do they add up to be?
They're consecutive. They're
What do they add up to be?
180.
They make a straight line, don't they? Oh. 5 plus 8 equals 180. And 8 is the same as 4. Yes, girl.
Yes, girl.
Consecutive interior angles are supplementary. They add up to be 100. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn to page 8. Okay. All right, it says P is parallel to Q. P is parallel to Q. All right, there are parallel lines. And it says angle 1 is 68 degrees. So I want you to go ahead and write 68 degrees where it says angle 1. All right, so I notice That angle 1 is an exterior angle. Okay, so Trent, can you tell me the angle that is alternate exterior to that angle 1 that we have? Angle 8. And we just wrote down that alternate exterior angles are congruent. So angle 8 is also 68 degrees. Well, that's pretty cool. Just in this picture, bud. Just in this picture. Now, angle 1 has a corresponding angle. Brady, help me out here. Which angle corresponds with angle 1? Angle 5 is a corresponding angle. Well, we just wrote down that corresponding angles have the same measure. So angle 5 is also 68. This is so cool, isn't it? I know you think so too. Okay, Corin. Angle, what did we just write down? Angle 5? I'll highlight it. Angle 5 is an interior angle. Which angle is the alternate interior angle for angle 5? What'd you say? 4. 4 is the alternate interior angle to angle 5. Hey, we just wrote down that those. Not everything. Okay, now what do we know about angle 4 and 6? Angle 4 and 6 are consecutive interior angles. And we decided that consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So what is 180 minus 68? So angle 6 is 112. Okay. Bennett, give me another angle that's 112. Why? Because angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. Okay.
Wait, what? 70 also?
Why would 7 be also?
It's also
So we could say that 7 and 3 correspond. And so it's also 112.
Oh, yeah. And then 6 and 2 correspond, so it's also.
Hey, okay. So 6 and 2 correspond. So that's also 112. Or Ryan, 2 and 7 are alternate exterior angles. And so they're 112. Okay. Now, I love that you are figuring out the pattern, but I need you to understand that on Thursday's test, that's a week from today, on Thursday's test, you need to be able to tell me that these are alternate interior angles, that these are corresponding angles, and tell me their measure. Okay. All right. So let's look at example 2 here.
Okay.
So angle 7 is 134 degrees. Now, I'm gonna give you a moment. Give you a moment on number 2, and I want you to write down any measurements that you feel confident in, that you think you know. See what happens.
Maybe 3 is also 134. So.
No.
No, you're not. You are not. How? You are not. You're like 5.
I know, no, she's 5'8".
I'm 5'8". We're doing this right now?
Yeah.
Write down any measurements you feel confident in.
I'm thinking about it.
All that. What?
Grass is the same.
Because it gets me set up. Yep, yep.
Why is that weird? No. 134.
Gracias.
Like so 7 and 3? Yeah.
And then
Yeah. All right, Harper, give me one measurement that you're confident in. Angle 1 is 134, and how do you know that?
Because it's vertical.
Yes, we have vertical angles, and we know vertical angles are the same. Bronson, give me another measurement you're confident about.
134.
And why do you know that angle 3 is 134? What is it called? So I've highlighted them up here. Okay, are they inside or outside? Inside, so there's something interior, right? They are alternate interior angles. Very good. So we know that angle 3 is 134. Okay. Okay, Ryan, thank you for speaking out of turn, but you are right. Why is angle 5 134 degrees?
Because number 1 is alternate.
Alternate. Okay, 1 and 5 are alternate exterior angles. We know that they're the same. Denise, give me another measurement you're confident about. The rest you don't know. Okay, so Denise, I'm gonna highlight these 2 angles right here. What kind of angles are those angles? Oh, yeah, they are supplementary. So these are consecutive interior angles, Denise, because they're on the same side and they're inside. And you said they're supplementary. So if we take 180 minus 134, we get 46. We get 46 degrees. So we know angle 6 is 46 degrees. And angle 2 is the alternate interior angle. 8 and 6 correspond. 8 and 4 are alternate exterior. So we have them all. This is so great. Okay.
I figured this out. I know how to do this now.
Okay, so you have 4 problems to do for homework. You're gonna do 7, 8, 9, 10 on page 9. 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and just let you get started, okay?